Got our 2009 Honda CR-V here today. We're going to reset that oil life reminder. Go ahead and turn the key to the on position. There's a button here in the cluster. I'm going to go ahead and push that until the center stack reads oil life. You can see we got 70% there. Push and hold the button. And then within a few moments, this screen is going to flash. And now this button, you can turn this knob and get the oil life. Click it. Now we're blinking oil life 70% A1. From there, push and hold again. Until we read 100. And that's it.